Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Annyeonghaseyo, sawadika. And so this is Kiara Villanueva, and for today's video, we're going to unbox this beautiful smartphone from Realme Philippines. And so yeah, you're gonna find out later what kind of phone is this, or what is the model, or what version of Realme a smartphone is this. But for now, as you can see guys from the box pa lang, ayan, it's so hard to open. Ayan, so of course to make the product more safer and more secured, yeah, that's why it's so hard to open. And so anyways, ayan, open lang natin ang i-open hanggang sa ma-open natin, char. Ayan, so ayan, malapit na natin siya ma-open guys. Ayan. And charan! We already removed the tape and we're ready to open the box na for now. Ayan, so yeah, let's open it in 3, 2, 1, let's go. Ayan na. Alright, as we open the box, ito yung makikita nyo guys. Syempre naka-bubble wrap siya and at the same time naka-tape siya ulit. Para mas secured of course, diba? Ayan, double security and double safe. Ano daw? Ayan, so yan. Yan siya guys. Once na na-open yung box niya, so we're going to remove once again the tape for us to be able to open this. Yan. So as you can see, it's very, it's very secured. Sa pag-tape pa lang, diba? Ayan. So yeah, let's wait patiently while we remove the tape. So here it is guys, and in just few seconds I'm gonna be able to see na what's inside. Yan, finally already removed the tape. Ayan, o diba? Alright. Ayan, konting wait na lang guys. Ayan, ayaw niya magpa-open, char. Alright, finally we removed the tape. And now we're gonna see the phenomenal char. The amazing box of Realme. Ayan. Slowly but sure, char. Ayan na siya, finally. So, ayan. So, the version of this phone is the Realme C61, guys. Ayan. So, this is the front of the box. Ayan, as you can see, there's the Realme C61, which is the model or the version of the smartphone, and this is the side of the box. Ayan, with the Realme C61 print. Then on the other side, it's the same with the other side, the right, and this is the bottom part, and this is of course the upper. And now we're going to, since meron pa siyang plastic, we're going to of course we need first to, ayan, anyways guys, these are the main features of this Realme C61. Ayan, you can read the main feature of this phone at the upper part of the box at the back. Ayan, so now let's remove the plastic of the box so that we can fully open the and we can so that we can be able to see na what C61 looks like. Ayan, so ayan, I actually use my brow cutter, brow cutter, ayan, alright, konting tiis na lang, makikita na natin siya. Hoy, sino siya? Charis. Ayan, so, yes, we finally cut the plastic cover of the box, and now, in just a few seconds, we will be able to see now what does C61 Realme smartphone looks like. And so, are you ready, guys? Let's open this in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Ta-da! Char. And so, we just have to push doon. Meron pala siyang sealed sa taas. And so, it still have seal dito sa taas, guys. Para mas alam mo talaga na hindi pa siya nabuksan or, ayan. Ta-da! You have to remove that sealed at the upper part for us to be able to, to push it and see what's inside of the box. Ayan, let's go. Let's push it. Push it up or down. But I think it's better if we push it up. So, yeah, let's go. Push it up. Alright, of course. Pag na-open natin siya, ito yung bubungad, guys. Ayan, so make it real. Like real me. So, inside of this box, we have ayan, meron siyang free case na transparent, and also, along with that, ayan yung manual niya. Charan, and of course, dun sa box niya, ayan, dun sa box niya yung pin, SIM card pin, ayan. So, that's how it looks like for the pin room, ganyan. And, yun, the box of the free case and the manual. And of course, sa ilalim nun is ito na yung phone. This is it, guys. But before that, ito yung charger niya, guys. Ay, hindi. Open pala. Ayan, this is how it looks like. So, color pala nito, guys, is gold. Ayan, color gold. C61 color gold. Yan, this is how it looks like. Super ganda niya, guys. Yan, it looks like the other brand of the phone. And as you can see, it's very shiny, shimmering, splendid. Sobrang ganda niya sa personal, guys. Especially when you tilt it. It will gonna shine like you. Charis. Ayan, so anyway, ito yung charger niya, guys. So, the charger of C61, Realme C61 is Type-C din siya. Yan, ito yung kanyang charging cord, USB Type to Type-C. And, syempre, meron siyang charging head. And not just the cord, but it also has a charging head. So, that's all for the unboxing of C61. Thank you, guys.